Nakaka-motivate magsimula ng negosyo. Pero parang gold mining yan. You need the right tools to dig for gold. Ang utang, pwedeng maging pickaxe and shovel mo. O pwedeng maging malaking bato na pabigat sa'yo. The difference is how you use it. The biggest pro, leverage. You're using other people's money to make money for yourself. You're building business credit. Kapag nagbayad ka on time, tataas ang credibility mo. Banks will trust you more in the future for bigger opportunities. It's an investment in your financial reputation. The scary con, personal liability. Kung hindi mag-success ang negosyo, ikaw pa rin ang may responsibilidad sa bayarin. Pwedeng maapektuhan ang personal savings mo, ang peace of mind mo, even your relationships. It's not just business, it's personal. Kaya ang advice, only borrow what you can afford to pay back. Invest the money in assets that will generate income. Gamitin mo para maghukay ng ginto, hindi para magbuhat ng bato. You are the CEO of your dreams. Manage it wisely.